Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Arithmetic Progression. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is, if the nth term of an AP is 2n plus 1, find the sum of first n terms of the AP. So guys, this is one of the most important question, and this question is from the chapter Arithmetic Progression, and this question came in one of the CBSE board exam in the year 2005. Now guys, let us see how we can solve this question. So as per the question, they have given the nth term of the AP, which is 2n plus 1. So what they have given? They have given nth term. They have given the value for the nth term. So they have given the value of the nth term is 2n plus 1. The value of the nth term is 2n plus 1. This is what they have given, guys. So that means the value of nth term is, that means I can write an is equal to 2n plus 1. Now guys, let's look into the below table, which will be more clear. If you look here, I have just provided this, I have put this given arithmetic progression, and I have tried to explain this in a tabular form. So you will see that here we have first term. They have not given anything. We don't know. First term we don't know anything. Second term we don't know. Third term, fourth term we don't know. But for nth term, they have given something. They have given nth term as 2n plus 1. For that reason, I have written an is equal to 2n plus 1, guys. But from here, we can extract the values of first term, second term, third term, fourth term, whatever we want, we can extract. See how we can do. Let when n is equal to 1, let us do like this. When n is equal to 1, that means when n is our first term, what we'll get? A1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So the first term value of or the A1 value is 3 we are getting. Similarly, when n is equal to 2, so A2 is equal to 2 into 2, because it is 2n plus 1, what is being given in the question. So 2 into 2 plus 1, or I can write 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. Similarly, when n is equal to 3, just to show you, I'm doing these things like what we're getting. So when n is equal to 3, A3 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 1, that is equal to 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. Let's see what are the things that we will use from this equation, and we will move ahead. So guys, what we got, you could see, or you could notice that we got A1 as 3, A2 as 5, and A3 as 7. Let's see what are the values that we are going to use from this. And what we need to find? We need to find the sum of the first n terms. So as per the question, we need to find the sum of the first n terms. So the sum of the arithmetic progression is given by the formula 2Sn is equal to n into A1 plus An. This is what we know, and this is one of the most important formula for arithmetic progression also. So guys, what I am going to do, I'm going to find out, or we are going to find out the sum of the nth term. That means we are going to find out Sn only, nothing else. So let's see how we are going to find out, or what we are going to do here. Now guys, here we got the whatever the values we have. Let us replace the values here in this equation. So I can write 2Sn is equal to n into, because we don't know the value of n into A1. The value of A1 is 3. That is what we got above. You could see that the value of A1 is 3. So 3 plus An. Or what I can do in the next step is, in the next step, I'm going to replace the value of an with what is being given in the question. So I can write 2Sn is equal to n into 3 plus and the value of n that is being given in the question is 2n plus 1. The value of an is 2n plus 1. So just replacing the an with 2n plus 1. Or I can write 2Sn is equal to n into 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2n. Or I can write 2Sn is equal to n into, here I can take the 2 common out and I can write 2 plus n. I hope we are pretty clear till here. Like 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into n is 2n. Or I can write in the next step Sn is equal to n into 2 plus n upon 2. Guys, just getting the 2 from the left side to the right side. Or I can write Sn is equal to this 2 and this 2 cancels out. We are left with n into 2 plus n. Or I can write, but guys, even if we solve also, we are not going to get anything because they want the value of n, just Sn, because we don't know any other thing. If I also multiply, I will get 2n plus n square. Up to that extent is fine. Or else we can leave our answer here itself saying that the value of Sn is n into 2 plus n. So guys, this is what we can leave here till here. And we can say that the value of Sn is equal to n into 2 plus n. So that is what the sum of the first n terms of the AP is this much. So this is the sum of the first n terms of the sum of the first n terms of the given AP. This is, guys, of the given AP. Guys, this is our answer and we are done with this. Hope guys you understood this process or this calculation. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.